What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel with a brand new video. Let me start by saying thank you guys so much for taking some time out of your day to stop into the channel and check out the video, get some updates, and just kind of see what's been going on over here as of lately. As you can see from the thumbnail and the title of the video, we have purchased a new truck. It's here at the house. I'm looking at it right now. It is behind you guys. And today's the day we're going to introduce it to the channel and let you guys take a look. I do have another bigger piece of news that I'm going to share with you guys a little later in the video as we start to get into the new truck reveal. As you guys know, I've been missing from Instagram and YouTube for a little while now, so I've kind of been holding this news back and not really saying much of anything lately, so we will share that with you in a few, but I do also have a few other things on my mind that we're going to go over before we get into revealing the new truck. One of those things on my mind is wanting to start taking more time this year to start making videos of us at work. I want to start making a kind of reality style show of us on the job site and introducing you guys to Gary and also to our electrician Mark. We have plenty of bigger projects coming up that's going to involve a ton of different work, tons of different types of projects at these job sites, and I think that it would be a good opportunity for you guys to get to see another face on the channel other than just mine, getting to meet and know Mark and Gary, and also it would be a good opportunity for us to show you how to do some stuff maybe around your house. Maybe you guys want to do a renovation or a small project at your house, but you don't quite know how to go about doing it or what materials you should look at getting. We could take the time to make these videos and show you things like tile, flooring, how to gut a wall and reframe it. Maybe you're not a carpenter and you need help on knowing how to do these things. So I think that it would be a good opportunity for those reasons, and I really want to try and make an effort to make more videos revolving around that type of content as 2020 progresses. Another thing on my mind is something that I want to do to start giving back to you guys, and that is some giveaways. I have a few parts laying around in the garage from the second gen that are not going to go back onto the second gen, and rather than have them sit here in the garage collecting dust, I figured it would be the right thing to do to offer them up to you guys through a giveaway. And how I would do it is probably in separate giveaways, giving 3 separate people an opportunity to win these parts. I do have 3 items, and those items are the Fluidampr. I also have the Diesel Auto Power 125 horsepower injectors, and I also have an Edge comp box. So for all you second gen guys out there who might want to get those parts or be able to put one of those parts on your truck, definitely leave a comment down below and let me know if you would want to participate in a giveaway and have an opportunity at winning them. All 3 items that I have sitting here that I'm looking to give away are in good condition. They are ready to go, be put on in someone else's truck and do the job for you. The Fluidampr was only on my truck for a few months. The 125 horsepower injectors were in my truck for I think under a year's time, never one issue, all ready to go. Might need to be cleaned up a little bit, but you guys can check out the video that I have on the channel on how to clean injectors. And the Edge comp box was obviously on my truck for a little bit before we decided to remove that and go with the Quadzilla Adrenaline. I feel like there's some other things that I want to talk to you guys about, but I keep getting distracted by the new truck that's sitting right in front of me. So I think for now, what we are going to do is turn this camera around, reveal the new truck to you guys, let you guys take a look at it, and if I can think of the other things that I wanted to talk about, we'll go over that in another video. Without further ado, here is the brand new truck for the channel. Well, what do you guys think? This is the new truck for the channel. It is a 2016 2500 6.7 liter and we are going to have a lot of brand new fresh content coming your way with this truck. Now here's the bad news part of it that I want to give you, and that is that we sold the second gen about 3 months ago, back in the beginning of September. So that truck has been gone for a little while now, and since it's been gone, I really hit the pavement and tried to find a new truck to get here and introduce to the channel so that we could start filming new content. But that's kind of why I was in this transitional period and not really filming much, is because we didn't have a truck. There wasn't really anything else that I felt the need to film on. So we kind of just took some time off to spend with the family and look for a new truck and just focus on work and other things. I know some of you guys are going to be upset at the fact that the second gen is gone because you guys love the second gens, as do I, but we just needed to move on in a new direction, and I really was looking to get a third gen truck. I originally wanted to find a third gen with the 5.9 liter in it and try to keep somewhat of the same engine platform, but we just weren't having too good a luck at finding something that fit the bill and would have been a good fit for me and the family. The more I was looking around at trucks, the more that I saw pricing on trucks, the more I quickly came to realize that going with an older truck right now wasn't gonna be the best thing for me. So we decided to start looking at stuff that was a little bit newer. Now, I put a video up a few weeks back, around just maybe before Christmas, beginning of December, about holiday truck shopping, where we went to look at a third gen, an 08 6.7 liter that was a low mileage truck that could have been a good truck. And I really tried to go back and forth with that dealership on trying to strike a deal with them. However, they just did not want to budge too much on the price, and that truck was in no means in good shape. I mean, it was a one owner truck, but there was still plenty of scratches, dents, and dings on the body, and they were trying to get a premium price out of it and didn't want to come down on the price to account for the body work and stuff that would need to be done. If they were to have come down on the price, I most likely would have ended up with that 08, which only had 57,000 miles on it and was a single owner truck. But they just didn't really want to work with me, didn't seem like they wanted the business. And then this 2016 happened to pop up one day when I was scrolling through the interweb looking at trucks and trying to see what else was out there. This thing wasn't too far from me. It was about 20 minutes away. Plus, we're getting a truck that's 8 years newer, has 62,000 miles on it, which is about average considering that come this summertime, this truck will essentially be 5 years old. It worked out to be about 12,500 miles per year or somewhere around there, I think, when I did the math. But yeah, I mean, I feel that this truck is exactly what I wanted, what I needed, what my family needed, and will be a good truck for years to come. And it'll just give us a whole lot of new, fresh content to do here on the channel. We already do have parts coming for this thing. Actually, we are going to be getting a part in the mail tomorrow that you guys are going to want to see and be pretty pumped about. So make sure that you are stopping back for the next video and checking that out so that you don't miss out on that. We also have something else being built for it right now, which should hopefully get shipped out this coming week, and I'm hoping to have it by the end of the week. So we'll be having a video up with any luck on that by next weekend. Now, there's certainly some features on this truck that I would prefer to have changed and just have different features. One of those things being the factory radio, but that's no big deal. We can always swap that out with an aftermarket radio. I'm also not really a huge fan of the gauges here, the dash cluster. They only have a tach, a speedo, the depth gauge, and the fuel gauge, so it doesn't have like the coolant temp and the oil pressure or anything like that. But we can always swap that out later. I found a website where I can order a new dash cluster and we can swap that out for a nicer one. So maybe that'll be a video to come at a later date. Also, this truck doesn't have tow mirrors on it. I don't know who orders a 3/4 ton or a 1 ton pickup truck and doesn't put tow mirrors on it, but whoever placed the order for this truck when it was brand new apparently didn't want tow mirrors. So we do need to order a set of tow mirrors for it, which we plan to do this week. So hopefully we'll get those this week and we can get those installed. So there'll be another video coming your way. It does also have an aftermarket backup camera on it, and whoever installed it, I mean, did a nice job mounting the screen right here on the dash, but the camera points almost directly to the ground. It doesn't point up and out to give you a good field of view of what's behind you. It's literally pointing straight down towards the receiver hitch and all that. So we need to try and correct that and fix that so that we can get a better field of view. I also have an appointment for the truck, not this week, but early next week. I think a week from tomorrow, which is Monday, to go in and have something done on it. So there's gonna be some changes for the truck coming here very soon. Make sure you guys are subbed with those post notifications on so you can start to see the changes in the process and all the videos that are gonna be coming out with the fresh new 2016 Cummins. But yeah, it is an SLT model. It does have a power sliding rear window, which will be nice. I can crack that during the summertime to get the kids some fresh air back there. The two youngest kids have already gone for a ride in it and they absolutely loved it because they have so much more space in the back seat compared to the second gen. The missus loved riding in the passenger seat because she didn't have to push it all the way up into the dashboard so that we could fit my son's car seat behind her. It's just all around a better fit for my family. This is the route that I needed to go, and I'm sure that you guys can still enjoy and love the content with a brand new 4th gen here on the channel. I'm still not quite sure what to make of it. I have only had it for a day now. It does have all these new features and whatnot. It rides so much different than the second gen. It is far more quiet than the second gen, obviously. With the second gen being straight piped and no emission stuff on it, this truck has all that bullshit on it. So we will have to think about some things pertaining to that, and we'll go over that stuff at a later date. Don't you worry, you already know where my mind is going with that, but that's all I'm gonna say on that topic. It does have an aftermarket remote start, so that's nice. I can fire it up before I head out for work or the family gets in it and try to just let it start cycling oil and warm up a little bit. So yeah, I don't know. I am pretty pumped about this truck, guys. Pretty stoked to start making videos on it and giving those videos to you to watch and enjoy. And I certainly hope that you guys like the truck and are looking forward to all the new videos that are about to be uploaded to the channel. I'm gonna wrap this one up here though. I just wanted to show the truck to you and reveal it so you guys could see it and know that we have a brand new truck to start filming content on. I actually want to get inside and watch the Chiefs and the Texans game, so that is exactly what I'm gonna do, and also get this edited so that I can upload it tonight for you guys. So make sure you're subbed with those notifications on. Like I said, we already have parts coming. We have an appointment for the truck a week from tomorrow, Monday, to have something done. We are gonna have tow mirrors coming in here very soon, so we got stuff to do. I'm also gonna be debadging it, so that video will be coming up here shortly, and just plenty of other stuff that we're going to start uploading videos on. Hit that like button on your way out. Check out those links down below in the video description, and I will see you guys again soon with another new video. See ya!